spying, sabotage, and secret missions. During World War II, the Office of Strategic Services, or OSS, became the United States' first centralized intelligence agency. But how did it shape the future of espionage? In 1942, as World War II raged on with unprecedented ferocity, President Franklin D. Roosevelt recognized the urgent need for a centralized intelligence agency. He established the Office of Strategic Services, or OSS, to coordinate intelligence gathering and sabotage enemy operations behind enemy lines. Led by the charismatic and visionary William Wild Bill Donovan, the OSS recruited a diverse group of operatives. These operatives ranged from Ivy League scholars who brought intellectual rigor to Hollywood directors who contributed their creative problem-solving skills. Together, they formed an eclectic and effective team. Operating behind enemy lines, OSS agents collected vital intelligence, trained local resistance fighters, and orchestrated daring acts of sabotage. These brave men and women risked their lives daily to disrupt enemy operations and gather crucial information that would aid the Allied forces. They played critical roles in missions like Operation Jedburgh, which supported the French resistance by providing them with weapons, training, and strategic guidance. This collaboration was instrumental in weakening German control and paving the way for the liberation of France. Another significant mission was Operation Greenup, which gathered invaluable intelligence in Nazi-occupied Austria. The information collected by OSS agents was crucial in planning Allied operations and undermining Nazi efforts. The OSS also pioneered modern espionage techniques, including the use of advanced cryptography and innovative gadgetry. These tools and methods revolutionized the field of intelligence and set the stage for future espionage activities. Ever wonder where James Bond's iconic gadgets came from? The ingenious devices used by the fictional spy were often inspired by real-life OSS inventions. Many of these groundbreaking gadgets, from miniature cameras to concealed weapons, were developed by the OSS during World War II, showcasing their creativity and resourcefulness in the face of adversity. When World War II ended, the OSS was disbanded, but its legacy lived on. The Office of Strategic Services, or OSS, was the precursor to modern American intelligence agencies. In 1947, the CIA was formed, inheriting many OSS strategies, training methods, and even personnel. This transition marked a significant evolution in the way intelligence was gathered and utilized. From the Cold War to the War on Terror, the CIA adapted and expanded upon the foundations laid by the OSS. The OSS's influence shaped how the U.S. conducts intelligence to this day. Its innovative approaches to espionage and covert operations set the standard for future intelligence work. The OSS laid the foundation for modern intelligence, pioneering techniques that are still in use. Their emphasis on rigorous training and advanced technology was revolutionary. Blending covert action with cutting-edge technology and global networks, the OSS's legacy is evident in today's intelligence community. The strategies and methods developed by the OSS continue to influence how intelligence is gathered, analyzed, and acted upon in the modern era. The OSS's daring missions during World War II proved the value of organized intelligence. Its legacy is alive in the CIA and other agencies around the world. Hit subscribe to Emgotv1 for more secrets from history revealed.